This Crrtvt 88-key digital piano uses semi-weighted, touch-responsive keys that feel surprisingly close to an acoustic instrument, which makes technique practice more meaningful for beginners and advancing players alike. The keyboard offers a generous selection of built-in sounds, rhythms, and demo songs, so you can explore different musical styles and have ready-made material for learning and inspiration. Bluetooth and MIDI connectivity make it easy to link the piano with learning apps, recording software, or virtual instruments, greatly expanding what you can do beyond the onboard features. The included stand, sustain pedal, power adapter, and headphones create a complete practice setup right out of the box, so you do not need to hunt for extra accessories to get started. A padded carrying case is part of the bundle, and it turns the slim keyboard into a genuinely portable option for lessons, rehearsals, or casual gigs. Overall, this model balances realistic feel, flexible connectivity, and thoughtful accessories in a way that suits home practice, stage use, and long-term learning.